presentation with the name of Most Merciful Almighty Allah. I would like to call Yahya for the Kirat.
بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا أنزلناه في ليلة القدر وما أدراك ما ليلة القدر ليلة القدر خير من ألف شهر تنزل الملائكة والروح فيها بإذن ربهم من كل أمر سلام هي حتى مطلع الفجر صدق الله العظيم. We send it down on the night of decree. And what can make you know what the night of decree is? The night of decree is better than 1,000 months. There is descent the angel and the spirit by their Lord's permission with every decree peace. It is until the emergence of dawn.
Subhanallah. I would like to call Alina for the Kirat. الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم خيركم من تعلم القرآن وعلمه तर्जुमा आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया तुम में से सबसे बेहतर वो है जो कुरान पढ़ता और पढ़ाता है शुक्रिया I would like to call Naiba for the call of the debate situation has some good even a stop clock show the right time to twist a day. Now Anaya is here for the speech.
Teachers and my friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am here to deliver a speech on patriotism. Patriotism is love and devotion we have for our country, its value and its people. It is sense of belonging and responsibility that drives towards its betterment. Patriotism is not just waving flags or singing national anthem. It is about understanding and respecting our nation, like history, culture and traditions. It is about being proud of our achievement and learning from our mistakes. Patriotism is about serving our country whether through active military services like commuting, volunteering or simply being a lead of our nation and its people before our own. As students, we have the power to shape the future for ourselves and for upcoming generations. Let us remember that patriotism is not limited to any political ideology or simply being an active and engaged citizen. But patriotism is not just about grand gestures, it is also about small acts of kindness and compassion. So let us strive to be a patriotic citizen, working together to build a nation that is just equitable and free for all. Thank you.
I hope it's like your presentation. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. A very good morning to all of you and alhamdulillah we have a good day today. Weather is really very pleasant today. So alhamdulillah. So thank you Ms. Shanaz for the presentation. A big round of applause for the students and the teachers.